Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how you can create your WhatsApp link using your phone number. Instead of you giving people your phone number, maybe you're running ads and you want somebody or your customers to message you directly to your WhatsApp without them saving your number or going the stress of typing it in your number in their phone before they can message you. So I'm going to teach you how you can just create a link that you can share in your ads or to people. They can easily message you. It's a very simple thing to do. So we head on to our browser. When you get to browser, you search for create.walink. Just take a look here. Look at it. Look at the address. Create.walink. So you hit on it. And the good thing about this is it's free. You can use the free version to create your link. So you click on this place, you click on here. So let's go ahead and click to create our link. So all you need to do now is to put your phone number here. So let's assume my number is a you select your country code. I'm in Nigeria, so that's why mine is +23. So select the country code of wherever you are, then put in your phone number. So let's assume you are say you're into a business and you want your customer to message you. So you just type something like this. Hi Rita, I'm interested in your business. I got your number from Facebook. Something like this. So once you are done this, you preview. So you are going to be seeing it like this when somebody sends you this message. It's trying to send a message to me. So you see it will not be, hi Rita, I'm interested in business. This is the kind of message you get when somebody clicks on your link. So let's go back. So once you have typed the message, the custom message, and you are fixing your number, you click on generate my WA link. Once you click on it, you see where you have a copy. Look at this place. Look at this place. This place shows copy. All you need to do is to what? Click on it and go to your WordPad or Notepad and paste it there. Anytime you are running ad or you want to use your link, all you need to do is to go there and copy it and give to someone. So let's try it out. So let me paste the link here on my personal phone. I will just click on it. You see, I've gotten the notification from my phone already. This is so that's how it works. So if you find this helpful, I would like you to subscribe, like and share this video for more. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.